Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clear map and the right tools. First, confirm the map scale like 1:50,000 and orient the map to north. Then, using pencil and tracing paper, carefully trace the exact boundary of the area you need to measure. Take your time to follow curves. Once done, label key vertices and turn points with numbers. Make sure to note whether the boundary crosses map margins and mark where you might need to bridge gaps before measuring. Now you measure and break the shape into manageable pieces. Measure each straight segment between numbered points in map units. For curves, lay string along the arc, then straighten and measure the string. Next, divide the traced area into simple shapes, triangles, rectangles, trapezoids, so you can use basic area formulas. Work systematically. Label each subshape, record its map unit dimensions, and double-check any right angles or parallel sides. This reduces error and prepares you for conversion. Finish by converting and verifying your calculation. Calculate area for every subshape using appropriate formulas, then sum them to get the total area on the map. Next, apply the scale squared. If scale is 1:50,000, multiply map area by 50,002 to convert to real-world square meters or kilometers. Round sensibly and write the units clearly. Before you finish, cross-check with a quick estimation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.